Hello and welcome. I am Sir Tanvir Ahmed and you are watching Ahmed Dev Lab, and in this video I'm going to discuss about Navigation 3, the new navigation library specially built for Jetpack Compose. So if you are building native Android application with Jetpack Compose, then you are good to go with this Navigation 3. And if you are not using Jetpack Compose, then perhaps you will not be able to use Navigation 3. So Navigation 3 is like a big shift from Navigation 2, and it actually simplifies many things like the backstack. So in Navigation 3, we create our own backstack. It's simply a list, and whenever we navigate to one screen to another, one destination to another destination, we will simply put a reference of that destination in that list. So we add items in the list, we remove items from this list, so we have full control on the backstack, and it is very easy to implement or integrate with Jetpack Compose. So this is actually the whole picture. I took this diagram from official website, and you can see there are three components. One, there is a backstack, and another one which is an entry provider, and another one we have a nav display. So we need these three components to work with Navigation 3. And watching this diagram, actually you will not be able to get the full picture of Navigation 3. We need to jump to code, and I will create simple as possible examples to make you understand Navigation 3, and our full focus will be on Navigation 3. So I will create simple examples so that you can follow. Then perhaps we will migrate, or we will move on to a bit complex example so that we can explore the other features of Navigation 3. So let's not waste our time right now. Let's jump into Android Studio and create a new project.